Yo, what's up, y'all? That long time no see. It's been a while since I really talked to y'all. It's been like 4 days, but to me that feels like a long time. But today we are back. We're checking out a new real underground artist, and I think whenever I do this, I'm gonna make it like the series. So, the last video where it's like, what does a real underground artist sound like? This is gonna be like a series, like what does a real underground artist sound like? Like literally exactly what I just said. I don't even know why I repeated it twice. But basically, we're gonna go through their catalog. We're gonna pick an album. We're gonna, go through all their songs. I'm gonna give my thoughts on it. Y'all can give your thoughts on it with me. Let me know down in the comments, all that. But before we get into the actual video, like the video, because if you clicked on the video, you obviously like the video. Like just like the video. Subscribe to the channel because I love y'all. And if y'all want to tap in more with me one-on-one, get your music rated, go on IG, DM me, all that. But today we're checking out an artist called Alls. He hit me up on Instagram DMs. As I said, like that's where I meet all y'all. Like, do not try and get me to listen to your music down in the comments. It's not happening. But I met Alls through Instagram DMs. We're gonna check out a few of his songs. I'm gonna pick this album right here, Red Petals. I almost said Rose Petals. I'm a bot. But we're gonna check out this album here. Listen to a few songs on it. And he even sent through some of his unreleased. Like that's GOAT tier right there, bro. Like, we're gonna check out his unreleased and his release. So we're gonna get a really good grasp on how good he is. Well, not even good he is, just like what he has to work on and shit. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick 2 to 3 songs off the album Red Petals. I'm gonna give my honest thoughts. I told him I'm giving my honest thoughts on this. Not finna lie, not finna like sugarcoat nothing. Wait, what songs? Let's just rush and let it. All right. We're gonna go with Perfect Time here. No. We're gonna go with Navy Moon. Yeah.
You're the only one I want. Moonwalk, I can see the signs. Oh, liquor in this bitch ain't no skunk. I think I should go and confront. Oh, stand up. I just gotta go and raise my standards. I be out in Hollywood and stand up. Shut the fuck or you a cancer. I done wrote it out of safe. I ain't even gotta go play. I can see it in your face. You don't even know my location. Yeah, this shit is understated. I don't gotta contemplate. You know that I'm underrated. Semi-auto can't be traced. Hopping that shit and I know they ain't ready. I've been on my own and I'm getting spaghettis. I'm eating that pussy like it is spaghetti. I swear I won't do anything you don't let me.
Choose a pretty thing. Let me get in closer. Let the chopper see. I've been out on roll call.
I just wanna see it close up. Gotta get myself some goggles. Rub the kitty out the bottle. Bet I want this shit designer. You ain't even gotta sign off. I just wanna get behind you. Him is Kyle, yeah, it's been a while. Magellan Batman, not a pin my style. Best believe we want that crocodile on the polyester. Best dressed with the big steppers. No stress on loose stature. You're the only one I want. Moonwalk, I can see the signs. Oh, liquor in this bitch ain't no skunk. I think I should go and confront. Oh, stand up. I just gotta go and raise my standards. I be out in Hollywood and stand up. Can you shut the fuck or you a cancer?
So what I think I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna play like half the song because I don't want to play the full song and then like y'all just don't go and listen to it. So I think like 2 minutes is a good place to stop. From what I've heard, this reminds me a lot of like 2093 Yeet. Like if I had to put it right next to like another artist or their songs, 2093 Yeet. And I think that's like a perfect place where an underground artist wants to be. Not in terms of the sound, just in terms of like, I see a lot of thought put behind the production. It doesn't seem like it was rushed. Like, I feel like you were working on this album for a decent amount of time. And now I could be completely wrong. Like, just like straight babbling. But I feel like you actually put time into this. Like, all your verses felt cinematic in a way. And that's what I really liked. Like, your ad-libs, like, they came through the song. Like, sometimes you even stop the beat for that. Which I actually really liked, because it gets kind of tiring hearing Samsung clone 153 every 30 seconds, you know? And, you know, a lot of you guys do some of your music, but, like, I'm not trying to hear Samsung clone 153. This is something refreshing. Now, is it something that I listen to on my own time? No, I actually don't like 2093 by Yeet at all. But I see the creative vision and the aspect he had with it. So, good production, good vocals, mixed very well. Like, you shouldn't, if I'm being so honest, you should not be like an underground artist. Like, you should actually be like way more up. I think you had like 10K monthly. Keep on marketing yourself, bro, because you could dead be like really up. Let's see if I can find something that's like really rapping. I see you have the 1300 Saint feed. Well, yeah, let's tap into this one. Yeah.
Yeah, I got them Benjis and they all face down. I don't wanna hear it, got my beat surround sound. I know that they counting on me, I won't let them down. I don't give a fuck about a kingdom or a crown. It's an early morning, ain't no alimony. It's a lifestyle, we the one and only. It's the lifestyle, getting to the money. They praying that I drop in the early morning, hoping that I drop it off the top road. Bitches selling pussy, tryna make it viral. I don't think you want me saying all that I know. I'm just gonna wrap it up and keep it case closed. For real.
I could really pop so much shit, but I just don't talk enough. I still got some love for my ex, but I just don't talk to her. Twin just got a car, he gon' spin it, ain't no more walking up. We too up, don't talk to us. Look inside her cup, it's Easter pink, that her pussy pink. When she with me, she don't even think, she just love me. I ain't even gotta do too much, they still fuck with me. Can't believe my life so beautiful, it just was ugly. All these niggas tryna steal my style, they some piss. Pretty mommy, and she got biscotti on her breath. Trending topic, I got her mad, they tryna see me less. Give a fuck about the price tag, I don't even care.
Sky City, you up in my city. Hit it with Bob 50. Got it before my biggie. Get that shit in rotation. You was born to put that shit in quotation. Ask me what's wrong with me. I ain't never lost something that I can't replace. Got the raft and the rig for the closet space. Got
I think that's like a good place to stop it because you still have a little bit more of the verse left back. I like this one too. This one I would actually semi-play back, but surprisingly it wasn't because of 1300 Saint. If I'm being completely honest, I felt like 1300 Saint's bar was like some hot dookie, nigga. That shit was trash. But I like how melodic you were on the song, like a lot. It like gives me a range on how you are as like an artist. Like you're not just limited by actual rapping. So you can't even say that you're a rapper, but you could genuinely say that you're more of a creative, like with your music. Like you actually create. You don't just, you know, put on a beat, rap. It looks like you have an actual vision when you actually rap. This is actually some of the best music we've had on the channel from someone who's not like overly up. So if you guys do want to go check out this album, Red Petals, it's right here. And his name is Alzy. Alls. I don't like to butcher niggas' names, but I might have just cooked your shit, gang. But Alls. Yeah, if y'all want to go check it out. I see he also has some other features. Like I saw he had a blood feature, and you know I'm warming up to blood, so I might actually check this out off camera. But now we actually have some unreleased, so we're gonna cut to that too. Yeah, nigga, he done gave us the Untitled. He didn't give us the Untitled. Nah, he's him. But I did blur out the link, so y'all not getting this. This is an Eli exclusive, nigga. But yeah, we're finna listen to. He gave me like a list of songs to listen to. All right, so let's tap into this one. I'm not sure if this is like a album he's working on or whatever, but you know, let's just see how this sounds.
pull up, driving no keys to the moolah. You wanna seem like you're cooler, I cannot be my because I ain't a loser. Feel like I'm leaving my body, I pull up retarded, I ain't understood. I don't know fuck with nobody, I'm getting real tired of rolling the shooter. You wouldn't care if I die, I just feel like I'm surrounded by abound. Type of shit I ain't even got a front. Tatted my chest to my arm. All these spells have been popping. I ain't got a reason, but I'm gonna tell them in time. Taking a sip from that wine. My cup runneth over. I'm counting them some. Shit in my system got me going dumb. I'm busy right now. Hit my phone when I'm done. Cause you don't got the remedies if I can't pull up some Final Fantasy. Cause I don't know anymore. Who am I without you? Cause you don't got the remedies if I can't pull up some Final Fantasy. Cause I don't know anymore. I just tell myself one more night for real. Tell me it's lit.
Alright, we're gonna pause there because it's unreleased. Yo, that's probably my favorite song we've listened to so far. Final Fantasy. I liked how you went from rapping to being melodic on the chorus. Like, bro, you have a lot of range. If I could give you one, like, personal thing, I don't know if you walk around calling yourself an underground rapper. Try to break away from that, bro. Because when I hear underground rapper, it's like a certain stereotype of music that comes to my head. Like, you guys probably know what I'm saying. Like, when you hear someone be like, oh, I make underground music, you're just thinking copy paste, Osama Sun, Che, Net Spend, 1300 Saint Teases, slop. You see what I'm saying? Like, and it's not a bad thing because I talk about underground music, but like, bro, you're not just only an underground rapper, bro. I feel like you're genuinely a creative and you have real passion for the music. So, you know, really good song. Like, probably my favorite shit. If you don't boot me out the Untitled before this is like all said and done, bro, like, I'm probably listening to that one again. All right, the next song he gave us a confirmation to listen to is Man to Man. I think that's like literally right up here. All right, let's check this one out too.
All that I think about is having the grace of God. I wanna tell them, but they is pushing away. This is my time, but they wouldn't listen. So don't come to me when you need a commission. Head in the sand while I'm gaining some distance. Said that I couldn't, now I'm married for Christmas. Did it so quick, man, it's unrealistic. It don't make sense, cause I'm not a statistic. I'm not a saint now, I wanna break down. Thinking that we cool till you knocking my gate down. Hop on the train now, ride like it's nothing. But you way too busy with these fake ass bitches. It's start with all world. Let me fly to Miami and Tokyo. Were you listening when I told you? Can't feel a fucking thing but the soul. You take me there.
Cruising in December in all white bands. Pull up to the party, I'ma bring my friends. Count a couple bodies, say I want my bands. Tell them that I can't, and they ain't my mans. Again. I don't wanna sound like American. Please, I'm just trying to understand. I just wanna have a man to man. It's hard to say.
Cruising in December in all white bands. Pull up to the party, I'ma bring my friends. Count a couple bodies, say I want my bands. Tell them that I can't, and they ain't my mans. Again. I don't wanna sound like American. Please, I'm just trying to understand. I just wanna have a man to man. It's hard to say. I don't wanna start, cause maybe I kill this shit. Pull up with the guys, I told my blade. Rolling out the sky, it's my moment. Pulling up my cup and withholding. Breakneck, some mother.
All right, I'm gonna pause that one right there. Totally transparent. I just don't like that song. I don't know if it's from the beat or whatever the hell, but I really just don't like that song. But I mean, the rapping wasn't bad. It's not like it's a bad song. I'm pretty sure one of these niggas fucked with it, but yeah, that's just not my type of music. The last one we're gonna listen to, all right, Body on Me V4. This is gonna be the last song so far. If you guys are still on the video, let me know what you guys are thinking of his music so far. But yeah, let's go into the last song here, which is Body on Me V4.
Put your body on me. I've been rocking lately, cause from what I can see, you royalty like Katie, they won't get out of me. What they anticipated, but is this what you want? Is this the right thing to do? You the only one to see what I go through. I know they love it. You don't want nobody, baby. You just want love from me. You don't want nobody, baby. That's why you stuck with me. Told them they ain't ready. I've been praying for some saving. Shadow wifey carry. I got double like Mercedes. Laughing like it's funny, but I told them it's the same thing. When my phone go ring ring, my gun just wanna bang bang. Throw shit like a frisbee, and then y'all don't miss me. Gotta lie without say shit. Pour them need me whiskey. Fuck bitches be serious. My whip is fast and furious. This shit, it comes with a 10. I don't know, but I'm delirious. Too bad, but I'm mature. I've been blowing up like Oppenheimer. Falling in styrofoam. I don't know if I can make it back home. Put your body on me. I've been rocking lately, cause from what I can see, you royalty like Katie, they won't get out of me what they anticipated. But is this what you want? Is this the right thing to do? You're the only one to see what I go through. I know they love it. You don't want nobody, baby. You just want love from me. You don't want nobody.
Alright, and that one was Body on Me. I like that one. Like, on some different shit, though. Like, I would throw it on, like, once, like, in a while, say, if I just want to hear some fresh, refreshing, should I say. But, yeah. Overall, after checking out this nigga's discography, bro, I feel like he could be really up. And I'm going to say up, and not specifically in the, maybe, like, a Too Hollis type shit, bro. Like Nate Sib. I feel like that's your bag, but I'm not trying to tell you what to do with your career. Like, obviously, you're going to do what makes you comfortable. But if I really see you, like, overly up, Too Hollis, Nate Sib, Gunner, I could see you in that lane. And I fuck with those niggas' music. I really do. But, yeah, if you made this point to the video, like the video because you obviously like the video. And subscribe to the channel. Go check out Alls. And I love y'all. Eat food, drink water. Mwah.